guys, I'm Katie and this is Puppet Harriet, and we're going to perform Harriet's new song for you. For a long time I wanted to perform Harriet's new song, Maybe I Can, and that's what we're going to do today. And she is a much better musician than I am, so, you know, let's see how this goes, okay?
There was a song that I never could get called I Can Do That. But now I've done something I can't forget and learned what it's getting at. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Got it when it began. Now I think I can. There are some songs that I'm starting to get, like I can do better than that. And anything you can do makes more sense to me. So maybe I can. Maybe I can. For the first time in, well, never ever, I think I can. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Got it when it began, but now, well, I think I can.
So yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys liked it and you didn't hate it too much. I think we did okay. Can't wait for Harriet's next song, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Bye, Harriet. Oh my god, that was my arm falling off. Please let that have been okay.